Hey guys, it's Lauren with A Little Bit Unhitched, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to replace your Airstream compartment lock with Airgear's new compartment lock kit. You may be wondering why this is an upgrade that Sam and I started in the first place, and if interested, go ahead and click on this link here, because this is definitely an upgrade that you may want to consider doing yourself. For today's project, all you will be needing is a screwdriver, some pliers, and a wrench. It really is that easy, so let's get started.
Begin by opening your compartment door and using either your screwdriver or pliers to remove the retaining screw or bolt and the lock washer. The retaining screw may have a Phillips head, or it may have a hex-headed bolt, as ours does here, in which case you can use your wrench or your pliers. Next, remove the latch nut on the hardware stack. To make this easier on yourself, hold the latch and use the wrench to loosen the nut. Once the nut is removed, remove the hardware stack, which includes the cam retaining clip, lock cam, and 2 lock washers. At this point, the latch is ready to be removed, so go ahead and let the latch and rubber gasket fall out, and let's replace it with the new compartment lock. Begin by removing the hardware stack and retaining screw on your new compartment lock. And don't worry about remembering the order that the hardware stack is assembled in. Airgear has provided a detailed picture on their installation instructions that are provided with each kit. Once the hardware stack is removed, insert the new compartment lock. With the new compartment lock in place, insert the retaining screw and tighten it slightly just to help hold the latch in place. Your original lock cam may be better suited for your compartment, as ours was, and we simply use the original lock cam for our installation. Go ahead and put the hardware stack back on. And again, if you're having trouble remembering the order of the hardware, refer to the installation instructions that Airgear has provided. As you assemble the hardware stack, be sure that the lock cam is facing up. As you tighten the top nut, hold the latch to keep it from turning. You're almost done. At this point, tighten the retaining screw, being sure to tighten it to the point where it is snug, but not to the point where you are denting your metal. That's it. Go ahead and lock that outside compartment, knowing that everything is safe and sound.